everyone, it's Kirei here for Hit Kit Club, and I am using the fabulous January kits. My focus was to use the Love You metal die, but I've also used elements from the main kit, the Cardstock Kit, and the Embellishment Kit. And I also added in that really lovely Link Hearts die as well. So I've called out this fabulous rainbow striped paper. I think I'm really drawn to those sorts of, colours. Anything to do with rainbows is always really lovely, isn't it? And then I have die cut a load of Love Yous in the all the different colours from the cardstock kit. So I've got pink, yellow, orange, a light pink, a blue, a light blue, a green, and a lilac. And initially, I was going to do something different. Actually, initially, I was thinking I was going to do tone on tone Love Yous down on the stripes. But I was still playing with that, and I thought I wanted to do something a bit different. And I suddenly thought I'm going to do them as like a frame. So I've cut a piece of white cardstock. I think it's 9 inches square. Distress the edges, and then I've just put the Love You all around the border to create a really nice sort of border, and that ties into that fabulous striped pattern paper that I've used as a background. Now I have stuck the white cardstock down with foam pads, so I've got a bit of dimension there, and then I've got my photo now, as you can see, and I'm bringing in some of that fabulous floral ephemera. That's in the embellishment kit, and then I'm just playing around. I'm creating 3 clusters effectively using the florals around the layout. I'm just working out where everything's going. So at the moment, obviously, I haven't got anything stuck down. I'm just sort of placing it all, because once I've done that and I'm happy with it, I can then start to get things stuck down. Now, typically, if I'm not videoing, I would just take a photo once I'm happy, take everything off, and then just start to get things stuck down. There's the Linked Hearts die, and I've just cut that out in vellum from my stash. I thought I'd just add a little light layer behind that embellishment cluster next to my photo. So I think I'm sort of pretty happy with everything now. I'm just going to mount my photo. So I'm pulling in some of the papers from the cardstock kit and just trying to work out which one I'm going with. I'm going to go with the brighter pink here. It's called Excitement. I thought that just allowed the photo sort of to pop from the background, the white background, and yeah. So, and I liked how the colour worked with the colours in my photo as well. Of course, I'm distressing the edges like I always do, and then I'll get that stuck down. Now, I'm just adding foam pads to the top of the photo, and then I'll just keep it flat at the bottom, because I know I'm going to add embellishments around the bottom of the photo. So, yeah. So I'll get that stuck down. And I've decided I was going to do it sort of slightly angled, but I decided I was going to keep it straight, because I've got all the really straight lines in the background paper. There's my vellum die cut Linked Hearts. Super pretty, actually. And if you see, some of the other design team have used that in different ways as well. I think some have used it like stenciled, layered up with 2 different die cut it twice and then layered it up. So there's some really lovely ways to use a die like that. And then right now I'm getting everything stuck down. So yeah, I'm just adding a little bit of my Nouveau glue to everything, and you'll see I'm just sort of adding a bit of glue to generally the center of everything, or just to the end, because I curve up all the edges of the petals, curve up the leaves and everything, because I just love to have the dimension on my layout. And then there we go. Oh, I've got this title here. I was going to leave Love You, and I thought, no, I quite like that as a focus anyway. But I really like the title that was in the ephemera, called Love, Laughter, and Good Vibes, in black. And I've just added a few little pops of black with the ephemera leaves around each of the clusters, and then my title. So it just sort of tied in really nicely. And I did raise it up on foam pads, of course. Right, I have trimmed some of the flowers slightly so I could just get them tucked under, because I've got obviously foam pad under there as well. So yeah, and I'm just doing clusters of 3. What you'll see is I have replicated the yellow flower in each of my clusters, just to keep the sort of continuity going there. And that sort of draws the eye as well, the 3 clusters, and then I've got that yellow that just sort of balances it out. And then I'm just getting finishing the leaves stuck down. Got that butterfly there. Now that butterfly moves around a lot. because I can't quite decide where it's going to go. So I don't get it stuck down initially. Oh, and now I'm using, oh, these fabulous. These are great. Puffy embossed seals. They just look like a wax seal. They're really, really, really lovely. So I've got the pink heart that says love, and then I've got this other blue heart that just has a little bow on it. So I'm playing around with what I'm going to use. And I actually end up just using the blue one in the end. And then what else? Puffy stickers. Here we go. These are in the embellishment kit. And I'm just pulling out. Oh, I've still got this black and white ephemera pit. Ah, right. I've just decided. Yes, I'm happy with it there. I'm going to get it stuck down before I forget. Right, I've just taken that heart off there and I've brought in the bow. So that little blue bow from the puffy stickers. I've got the butterfly there, and then there's some puffy leaves in black and white. I'm just trying to add in another one to that top. I just felt like I needed to balance it. So there we go. I've got those in. Yep, so just making sure that I'm happy with that. Anyway, don't forget, I have a 10% discount code that you can use. The details will be in the video, in the description below the video. And that is great if you've not a Hip Kit Club subscriber as yet, but you've been thinking about it. Well, here's a great opportunity. Get a discount and you can try out the kits. So, yeah. But all the details for subscribing to the kits are over in the website, hipkitclub.net, and go to Hip Kit Club and you'll find everything about the kits. And they are fabulous and exclusive. You won't get them anywhere else. So, yeah, do pop on over and have a look. Okay, so my title's going on now. I've also raised that on foam pads, as you can see. And then I'm sort of nearly done. Yes, there we go. I did add that butterfly finally, and I did switch that heart to the blue heart. And here are some of the close-ups. I hope you've enjoyed watching the process video, and I hope you enjoy using the January kits as much as I have. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.